Today I'm showing you how to create a Chase online banking account super fast. So just go to Google and search up Chase online application. As you can see, I've already searched it up. Boom, click that. And all of a sudden you should see this. If you don't see this, it's fine. You could always just use this link. They're both the same. It's just this one's an advertisement. So if you do have this, click it. Then from here, you're going to be given a bunch of options. To simplify it really quick, this is basically for anyone above the age of 24. This is for anyone below the age of 24. So pick which one applies. And then this is usually for business owners that want more benefits, and it makes it just easier overall. So depending on which one you want, pick the one you want. So for this one, for this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make the Chase Total checking account. All you have to do is click open now. So since I already have an account, it's not going to let me. But basically when you click this, I'll show you on my incognito tab. Find it. There it is. This is what it's going to show you. So it's literally going to bring you to here. It's going to ask you for your name, all this info. Boom, 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 boom. Obviously, I'm not going to put in my info because I want it private, but this should be pretty straightforward. I don't think you really need help filling out your own information. But after you're done with that, you're going to be given some information. So obviously you get to make your own account, make your own login, all that stuff, all fun and good. So after you do that, you will basically get an account like this. So boom, this is my Chase account. It's going to look like this. It might look a little different because your one will be personal. My one's a business account, but don't worry, it's relatively the same. And yeah, you'll be able to use this from here on out. Your card will come a week after you sign up. So keep that in mind. It'll come in the mail, and that's when you activate the card, and it'll let you make IRL purchases. I hope this helped. If it did, subscribe. Thank you.